Good morning everyone. Good morning po sa lahat. Na-miss po ni DJB na mag-vlog. Ayan. At ito po, as you can see po, medyo natunaw na po itong aming pong paligid. Pangilan-ngilan na lang po yung meron pong snow. Ayan. At kasama ko po syempre si Rocky. Ayan. Na laging excited po paglabas. So, medyo po mahangin pa rin po. And ito pong side na to ay natunaw na po yung ating pong ang ating pong mga ibang mga snow po dito. And dito po ayan may mga water po doon, galing po yan sa snow. And ito rin po parang mayroong little lake dito. So ayan guys. So siguro po mga 1 or 2 weeks na mag-show up ang ating haring araw ay totally melt na po ito. And pwede na po siguro mag-start yung mga mag-gardening. Ako excited po ako na magtanim uli, and I'm planning to plant po the tomatoes and some what do you call that? The pechay. Yung po mga easy lang po. Yung po mga madadali lang po siguro mga harvest po yung akin pong itatanim. And excited na po ako. And then ang gagawin ko po ngayon this time, ang itatanim ko na po yung pong nakasibol na, yung nakapunla na po, para pag inilipat mo siya sa sa ground, sa lupa, madali na lang po siyang tutubo kaysa po yung magpapasibol pa po ako ng buto, and it takes time po bago po siya lumaki. So minsan po inaabot na uli ng winter, and then so nasasayang lang po yung mga bunga, like pagka late bloomer po, yung katulad dati po nagplant po ako ng malalaking tomatoes, tas ako po yung nagpunla, and then winter na, babago pa lang pong namumunga, so nasayang lang po. And yung mga ibang mga corn din, nasayang lang po yung mga bunga kasi kailangan na din po yung i-turn down uli bago mag-winter. So inabot na po siya ng winter, and it's still, some fruits are still coming out, so nasayang lang po. But this time, after my vacation in the Philippines, when I came back from my vacation, I am probably planning to just to plant the pre-grown one, yung pong nakatubo na, yung nasa paso. Medyo pricey po siya ng konti, pero worth it naman po dahil mas maaga mo siyang mapapakinabangan. Kumbaga maaga kanyang bibigyan ng mga fruits kesa yung magtatanim ka na from yung mag-ano ka pa lang ng mga buto. So syempre you have to wait the buto para mag-grow, tapos ililipat mo pa siya, so it takes time. So dito po ang summer po ay very maiksi lang po. So 2 years in a row po na ganun po ang ginawa ko. Nagtanim po ako sa buto ko po muna, and then nasayang lang po. I do have some fruits naman po, pero yung iba late bloomer po, so inabot na po siya ng winter bago pa lang po siya namumunga yung ibang tomatoes. So nasayang lang po, kaya this time ang gagawin ko po siguro, yung bibili na nga lang po ako yung nakatubo na. Yung iba pong nabibili na mga nasa paso, they are already have the fruits. Medyo pricey nga lang po yun, but it worth it naman. Maaga po siyang mapapakinabangan. I love planting po. That's also one of my libangan, especially if you come from work and you go straight to your garden. It's really relaxing. Actually, we don't have po dito, but my partner have the yung space po the manager or the management giving them the space to do the planting every summer po doon po sa area po ng partner ko. So yung pong mga mahihilig pong mag-gardening, only need they need to do is to clean the how do you call that, yung mga spot po na pagtataniman nila, and whatever they want to plant in there, they are all can plant po. Yun po yung kagandahan. It's the space po beside the company po, the building, the management are allowing the employees to do gardening every summer po. Kaya nagtatanim po kami doon and I really love planting po. That's one of my my libangan din po. So ayan guys, so I'm so excited, looking forward for gardening. Aside from going some of the places, beautiful places over here. So gardening is my my hobbies. Ayan. So ayan. Nakaka-relax naman po talaga eh. Ang mga po, hilig-hilig din po yan eh. Pero ako po, I also teaching my kids to do some gardening. And my daughter so far, she love also do gardening. Ayan. So, nakaka-relax po. Lalo na kapag they are giving already the fruits. Parang excited lagi akong makita yung aking mga tanim. Yeah. So, yeah, looking forward for for summer, and I also wanted to experience also to go again on the lake and do some fishing, even though I'm so scared riding on the boat, but this time I'm okay now, but not on the big sea. So, yeah, guys. So, eto po, yan po muna. And na-miss ko po kayo. And matagal din po akong hindi nakapag-upload po ng mga videos po dito. Because I was so busy last week. That is Holy Week. Holy Week. And I was working on that week po. So, salamat po. Thank you so much who are always supporting on me on my channel, and don't forget to drop your your comments and the thumbs up for me, and share also, and then I can go back to your channel too. So don't forget to drop your your bakas para po mabalikan ko po kayo. Salamat po uli ng marami, and I hope na makita-kita po uli tayo on my next video. Thank you so much everyone for always supporting me, and really appreciate po everyone. So ayan guys. So ito lang po muna, and I'm trying to do my best po para makapag-upload pa po ako ng more videos. I know you guys are tired of seeing this area every time I upload, so I know that you are always seeing this place. So I am trying to go some other beautiful places here when I come back from Philippines, but yeah, this is for now, and I hope I can see you again next time. Thank you so much everyone. I don't want to say goodbye. This is always my dialogue. I hope I can see you on my next video. Thank you so much everyone. This is DJB. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.